No to this election. No to the election.
No to fecafoot election.
I said no and no.
No and
No
no
and
to
no.
fecafoot elections.
It's a scam. It's a
Time is
sham.
gone. Time is gone for that.
Eto'o must go.
Man must go.
Yeah, with due respect to the hierarchical authorities that be, we vehemently say no to fecafoot elections in the Northwest region inter alia. That is, it applies with the divisional elections which have been bastardized by the stifle system. So we vehemently reiterate that we say no.
Election for fecafoot, what did it happen? It take place over the weekend. It dey fine. The thing work fine. It work fine. We see the publication where fecafoot don't do am for talk about the election where it take place for Garoua, for Yaoundé, for Eto'o, it take place fine, for Douala for here, for Southwest, for Bafoussam side, for I don't talk Bamenda already. But some group of people them, they make some outing say they vex. They say they don't want the election continue. The way the election they don't want me Samuel Eto'o be president for fecafoot. They don't want Samuel Eto'o. Say Eto'o must leave fecafoot. Say they not be satisfied with the way thing they run. The way thing they go on. Now I go look the image now. Once for look and say okay. Now how many people then? They live for a place. They live for some walls. So when they don't go for some open space, they hide for they go to snap them, they take phone, put up for there before, put up for that paper in the right time, and they put up for face for my we go talk grammar. We don't happy with the all the happy now with the all the thing we don't do. We think say no go be for that president because we know they happy for all the thing we don't do. They go for that side for Bafoussam, now the very thing. The very people they talk the very thing. They take some 2-3 people they say na referee. They say referee the back say they don't pay them. When they want to see they sanction them. This and that. Abdulrahman Amadu his own team too. They enter the matter. One go look at for inside Siam. Say minister for sport. He dey inside the matter. That people they don't come off fecafoot. When they want to say me Eto'o fees fall, they dey inside the matter. So na small manipulation. And then other people they manipulate them. They don't give them small chew. One they know when a react or they hide their face. They don't want to see them because they want chop now for 2 plates. They want chop for here for minister, chop for that side for fecafoot, chop for minister, chop for fecafoot. I chop for before, for back, for before, for back, chop for before, for back. But about football no, ndama for Cameroon no. That's not it. All that noise they make a bra. Namburu. All them they want Namburu. When they see when I parle Namburu, they did okay, no problem, man. They no shaking. That's what they think they countryman.